Your health insurance bill just doubled, yet when you finally needed help, your claim was denied. How can you pay more every month and receive less when it matters most? Tonight, we followed Money by Sure Server behind one of healthcare's biggest mysteries. Every month, your premium climbs higher. But here's the question nobody asks. Where does all that money actually go? Health insurance premiums have significantly over the decade. Many families still claim denials, high deductibles, and unexpected medical bills. The journey of your money is far more complex than most people realized. What if your medical claim isn't reviewed by a doctor first, but by software following thousands of predefined rules? Many health insurers use automated systems to organize and screen incoming claimers have questioned whether heavy reliance on automation contribute to delayed payments or wrongful denials, making transparency a growing concern. A single medical billing code can mean the difference between full coverage and a denied claim. Modern healthcare depends on thousands of standardized billing and diagnosis codes. Even small documentation errors, missing mission coding, can delay entry from trigger reviews or returning claim denials that take weeks or months to resolve. By the time a claim is finally approved, some families have already emptied their savings. Medical debt has become a financial burden for millions of households. Even when claims are eventually approved, delays, deductibles, co-payments, and out-network charges can leave patients facing unexpected bills long before reimbursement arrives. Studies have found that delays in prior authorization and insurance approval can postpone tests, medications, and medical procedures. Physicians and patient advocacy groups have warned that administrative delays may affect treatment timelines, particularly for patients with complex conditions. Every denied claim starts with a letter, but behind that letter is a process most patients never see. When an insurance claim is denied, the reason may involve missing documentation, or bill league rules. Many denials can be appealed, but navigating the process often also requires time, prior paperwork, and persistence. For many patients, receiving medical care is only the first step. Resolving insurance questions can involve lengthy phone calls, repeated documentation requests, and multiple transfers between healthcare providers and insurance representatives before a claim reaches a final resolution. The healthcare system wasn't always this complicated. So, how did we get here? Over decades, health has evolved into a complex network of hospitals, insurers, government programs, pharmaceutical company, and technology providers. As increased, new layers of administrations and payment systems emerge, making the path from treatment to reimbursement increasingly difficult to navigate. Modern health insurance depends on vast digital systems that process enormous volumes of claims, eligibility checks, and bill information every day. Technology has accelerated administration, but experts continue to debate how automation, and transparency should evolve along the sea. So, if system feels impossible to understand, who actually holds it accountable? Health insurance companies operate under federal and state regulations, while hospitals, healthcare providers, and government agencies each play separate oversight roles. Regulators, and independent auditors continue to examine claim practices, privacy, and patient protections as healthcare costs continue to rise. But here's what the insurance industry rarely advertises. You have more rights than you think. Many denied health insurance claims can be appealed. Patients often have the right to request internal review, submit additional medical evidence, and in many cases seek an independent external review. Understand these rights can significantly improve the chances of a successful outcome. The biggest mistake most people make? They don't read the policy until after the claim is denied. Health insurance policies contain detailed definitions of covered services, exclusions, deductibles, provider networks, prior authorization requirements. Understanding these terms before a medical emergency can help patients avoid unexpected costs and navigate the healthcare system more effectively. Here's the reality. Healthcare isn't getting cheaper, but the smartest patients are learning how to stay one step ahead. As healthcare costs continue to rise, experts recommend viewing insurance coverage annually, understanding provider networks, verify prior authorization requirements, keeping detailed decisions when appropriate. Information has become one of the most valuable tools patient can have. The next time your premium increases, don't just ask how much, ask why. Healthcare financing is one of the most complex system design, modern designs, provider regular pricing, government administrators regular process, all into what patients ultimately pay. Understand how the system works is the first step toward making informed decisions, protecting your finances, and advocating for better transparency. The question isn't whether healthcare will affect your life, it's whether you'll be prepared when it does. Every policy has fine print. Every claim has a process. Every patient has rights. The more you understand your coverage, ask questions, and keep an accurate record, the better equipped you'll be to navigate in your financial future. Depend on it. Because one unexpected diagnosis can change everything. Healthcare decisions affect every family, whether choosing a health plan, repealing a claim, or preparing for future medical needs. Informed decisions can make a meaningful difference. The most valuable protection isn't just insurance. It's understanding how the system works before you need it. The next medical emergency won't ask if you're financially ready. It will simply arrive.